guys, welcome back to my channel. We're on day 5. My husband left me, and this is the last day. He's actually coming home tonight, and I'm really excited. But as you saw earlier, my house is a little bit messy, so I spent some time to clean it up because I want him to come home to a nice clean house. And I was going to go to church this morning, but it is pouring rain outside, so we're gonna stream the service. I love that my church streams their services, and it's actually better because my patio is flooding and I have to keep going out like every hour and pushing the water out of the hole so it doesn't come into the house. So I'm going to stay and monitor that. I also have a bunch of crochet orders that I need to complete. I have a newborn construction set that needs to go out tomorrow, and then while I was sleeping last night, someone ordered 2 adult Ewok hoods. So I've got enough to keep me busy inside, and we're gonna take advantage of that, watch a little Netflix, finish cleaning the front room. So when my husband gets home tonight, we are going out to dinner. It will be awesome because we love to go out somewhere nice. I'm not sure where. And as soon as I'm done with those crochet orders, I will let you see them because they're gonna be adorable. I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. Bye.
Look how clever I am. I think this is the main way that the water is coming in from dripping up above. So I'm catching it in a bowl, and I have tilted it so that it will go onto the outside and not the inside of my patio. I'm pretty proud of myself. I think it's gonna work.
So my husband just called, he's on his way home. So I hopped in the shower. I don't know if you can tell, but I hopped in the shower. So I don't look all grungy and gross like I was just sitting on the couch all day doing nothing, which is half true. I did complete some orders, but anyways. If you missed any of the 5 days of My Husband Left Me, you can go back and watch them. I'll link them down below, and you can see what I did, see the money I spent, see what I did with my free time. Had such a great time making all these videos. 5 days in a row is a lot, and it was challenging, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. I learned some new things. I hope I'm getting better at editing. I hope I'm getting better at content and saying all those filler words, but the only way to get better is to keep chugging and to keep doing this. I'm gonna try and get 1 video out a week. They'll probably be more crochet based, and a few things, you know, in my life and what's going on. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you later.